The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is Samsung's newest flagship earbuds. Don't get confused with the Galaxy Buds 2. Instead, this is the successor of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to FastView episode 74. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Let's check out the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. It has the same compact pebble-shaped case as the Galaxy Buds Live, Buds 2 and Buds Pro. Great news for cheap Asian me, where I can easily find a case for it. Also, there will be more design and options given. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro has a matte finish that's nice to hold with added grip. Comes in 3 color options: graphite, white, and Bora purple. There's a USB-C port at the back with an LED charging indicator. It also can be charged wirelessly with any Qi-enabled charger pad or smartphone. The matte finish continues to the earbuds. According to Samsung, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is 15% smaller and 0.8 grams lighter than its predecessor. The IPX7 water-resistant stemless design has a pretty ergonomic shape that fits pretty comfortably on my ears. The enhanced wind flow technology helps reduce ear canal pressure, so you can wear it for long hours without having ear fatigue issue. Everyone has a different ear canal shape. It comes with 3 different sizes of ear tips that you can swap out to see which one fits you the best. You can also perform an in-ear fit test via the Samsung wearable apps to make sure you get the best out of it. Since I'm talking about the companion app, for Samsung user, the pairing is pretty straightforward. Open the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro cover lids. It should prompt you with a pairing dialog. Tap to connect and it will do the pairing and software downloads automatically. Inside the app, you can view the earbuds and case battery percentage. Switch the noise control between ANC, ambient sound, and off, touch control, and equalizer preset. For touch control, a tap for pauses or plays music. Double tap or triple tap to switch track back and forth. Only the long press can be customized. Switch noise control, summon Bixby, adjust the volume level, or trigger Spotify playback. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro also features voice detect, where you automatically turn off noise cancelling and switch to ambient sound mode. This allows you to hear the outside and engage in a conversation without the need to do anything. Besides that, it also features 360 audio that uses gyro sensor inside the earbuds that track your head movement and create a special audio experience. This Dolby head tracking technology doesn't only limit to movies, but also music or any audio you are listening to. Under the Labs menu, there's a feature called Double Tap Earbuds Edge that can control the volume. I noticed instead of tapping the edge of the earbuds, I can actually tap the back of my ears, which works the same. I find it more accurate than tapping a smaller area. I believe this feature is mature enough and should be graduated from Labs. There are a total of 6 equalizer presets to choose from to match what you are listening to. Coming to sound quality, Samsung introduced the new Samsung Seamless Codec Hi-Fi that supports 24 bits high-resolution audio. But there's a catch. You need to have a Samsung Galaxy device with Samsung One UI 4.0 and above, and music streaming service that stream high-res audio tracks like Tidal. On other Androids or iPhones, it will pair with a more general SBC or AAC sound codec. Worth noting that the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3, so it's kind of future-proof when more devices that take advantage of it. It's paired with 2-way drivers, a 10mm woofer and a 5.3mm tweeter. I tested with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and compared to the Asus ROG Phone 6. I did notice a slight difference when streaming on Tidal. However, the Asus ROG Phone 6 sound quality was very good as well, with a pretty wide soundstage, pronounced vocal, and instrument sound separation. I did find that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 sound is more accurate in terms of clarity and detail. It has enough bass and volume with close to zero distortion, even at maximum volume. The ANC and ambient sound mode work quite well. It managed to drown noises around as soon as I put the earbuds on. When I walk around into a mall, I barely hear the surrounding music, and conversations that walk close near to me are mute to a near silent degree. The ambient sound mode has improved very much compared to the Galaxy Buds 2 with a more natural sound. The battery life is pretty decent, 5 hours for the earbuds with ANC on and 8 hours with ANC off. The case offers 3 additional rounds of charges. Throughout my test, it does last as advertised, and it can last me a week with an average of 2 to 3 hours a day. To be honest, this Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is one feature-packed TWS earbuds, but it's ecosystem locked, so it's hard for me to recommend to non-Samsung Galaxy device user. If you are using Samsung Galaxy devices, it's an excellent earbuds that you can get a premium and seamless experience. A complete written review of the earbuds will be available on my website. The link will be in the description box below. That's all from me on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.